Do you have what it takes to be Snake Eyes?
I don't know. Maybe. Holy crap, that's going fast. Ah, is he dead? Let's see. Let's poke him. Here. Oh, I'm taking this awesome sword. Oh, he's got it. Ugh. Oh, well, folks, I think he's dead. Let go, you dumbass. Hello? Let's tickle him.